Toyota of Palo Alto, family owned and community focused since 1990, and making you feel a part of the Toyota family. Once you pull into our service drive, our service valets will check you in as you wait for your service advisor. A service advisor will come out to greet you. A service advisor will conduct a 360 exterior inspection of your vehicle and check your tire pressure. Every vehicle comes with a complimentary multi-point inspection. For your convenience, we offer a courtesy shuttle with pickup and drop-offs within an 8-mile radius. We offer on-site Hertz car rental and free loaner bicycles available for use all day long. And a customer lounge featuring free Wi-Fi, complimentary snacks and beverages, espresso machine, and a convenient working station. Come to Toyota of Palo Alto, where you feel like family.